Ang tanging lalaki na hindi nang iwan kay Nora Honor.
But I always have her memories in my heart. I'll carry that with me for the rest of my life po. Yun lang.
Nagsaya ako doon na 8 years na talagang gutom. Kasama ko si John. Kung wala si John Rendes, kung wala si John, wala akong karamay. Kasi yun, kaya ako pinagtatanggol si John pagka sinisiraan nila. Kasi hindi nila kilala si John eh. Pero yun yung tao na, yun lang ang tao na hindi ako iniwanan nung panahon na kailangan ko ng tulong. Sinasabi ko, ay boyfriend kasi, hindi ko boyfriend yung tao kasi edad ni Lot-Lot yun. Parang anak ko na yun. Nagkataon lang na nung nagpo-produce ako ng movie, isa yan sa mga talent namin.
Recent memories of her. The way that we always have a good dinner. We always have a good conversation at dinner. Me, her, and the staff. We'd all eat together at the table. Sabay-sabay kami kumakain sa memorable moments.
Kasama po ang house staff.
Opo.
Grabe. Ever since.
Ever since. The guy is for the poor, for the people. You know, she's got okay, kung anong pagkain dyan, nakakainin natin. Hindi masyadong market sa pagkain, hindi masyadong market sa company, basta good company.
Kayo rin po ba kasama ni Ate Guy sa hospital just as of late?
Yes.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
For over 30 years, John Rendes was more than just a companion to Nora Honor. He was her confidant, collaborator, and constant presence. But now that the superstar is gone, the question many are asking is, what happens now to John Rendes? Paano na siya?
Okay. Maraming salamat po. Sana maulit-muli. It's your boy John Mendes loves you, baby. I do. John Mendes, number one sa puso mo. Eddie, wow. Peace. It's your boy John Mendes with the OG original guy. Nora Honor. Nasubugan natin. Nora Honor. Nasubugan natin. Nora Honor. Nasubugan natin itong aking bagong luto. Sana po magustuhan niyo.
Sige nga, subukan natin.
Sige. Ano, Pupoy? Pupoy, pwede batin yung kaibigan ko, si si Hermione. Hermione, she's 10 years. Hermione.
Hermione.
Harry Potter. Good luck sa Singapore and Thailand.
Good luck sa Singapore and Thailand.
Kasi she's a very talented gymnastics.
Okay, good luck.
Manalo ka. Bring lots of awards and lots of money.
Yes.
We love you. Okay, Maria, bawi tayo ha. Adiwa, bye-bye.
Ate Guy is number one sa kanya, mga fans niya. Going out of her way pa nga siya para ma-accommodate yung mga fans niya. So I think she would be happy even in her passing away that hindi na natin pwedeng pabayaan yung mga fans niya. So ako, napapasalamat ako na yung pagmamahal nila kay Ate Guy at yung support na nila kay Ate Guy sa amin dalawa hanggang na yon ay kanot na mararamdaman mo, makikita mo talaga. Dating sa fans, Ate Guy always makes her fans a priority. So, the only way we can do to honor her memories to show kindness and show importance to the people that for her are the number one. The greatest impact in my life is getting to know her, getting to be with her, and getting to share these unforgettable moments between our national artist, our superstar, and myself. And nalulungkot po ako, sobra. And I'm at a loss for words at this time. So, pasensya niyo na po. Siya mismo, namimiss ko siya. Araw-araw ko siya namimiss. But I always have her memories in my heart. I'll carry that with me for the rest of my life po. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Yes po. John and Nora's bond started in the 1990s, at a time when people questioned his presence beside the superstar. she stood by him. Critics came and went, but John remained, producing music, helping behind the scenes, even performing with her on stage and TV. On her 70th birthday in 2023, Nora left a heartfelt message to her children. Love John too. And that says everything. Even in her final years, she was still looking out for him. They both claimed that they were just the closest and the bestest of friends. Only they know the truth.
Nagsaya ako doon na 8 years na talagang gutom. Kasama ko si John. Kung wala si John Rendez, kung wala si John, wala akong karamay. Kasi yun, kaya ako pinagtatanggol si John pagka sinisiraan nila. Kasi hindi nila kilala si John eh. Pero yun yung tao na, yun lang ang tao na hindi ako iniwanan nung panahon na kailangan ko ng tulong.
Now John will have to navigate his life without his Popoy. Losing someone like Nora Honor leaves a space no one can fill. But John Rendez carries her memory, not just in words, but in music, in silence, and in every step forward.
It's your boy, John Rendez, who loves you, baby.
We wish you the best, John Rendez.